So for the editing of the videos, so you click on InShot. So the videos I edited is not that so long, the length is not long, but for every participant, after watching this video, you must send an example that yes, an exercise video that okay, you must create one and send it to the register class. Once I approve it, then you could forward it to the normal class for others to see. Are you with me? Now this was the one in the middle is the video that I actually rendered. These two at the side are the recording of the video, but there are so much, so that's why I can't send it to you on WhatsApp. You have to watch it through YouTube. Are you with me? So that it won't exhaust the data. And yes, so click on it, and yes, so as you can see it. So now what you see here, the first tools you see in the InShot is the canvas. Canvas simply means the screen resolution. So if you are trying to post anything and you with me for people to watch, I always prefer you go for 16 by 19. Yes, 16 by 19. And there are some cases whereby you want to do some advert, like putting your logo. That's the way I do my own, and writing some things, so which is also good. Then you could also use one by one, which is this. So let's select this, we use. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is, if you notice there's no watermark here, but on your own, once you render your own, you will notice there's a watermark at the right hand corner. The difference between my own and your own is I paid for a package. Are you with me? I'm in the silver package. I'm not using the free package. That's why the watermark is not there. But at the end, towards
Welcome
to
to
the
Femtech
end,
Studio.
you will see something. Can you see it? So their logo is still out there. So what you want to do first is to trim off that place. So what you do first is just select on the clip. Now you could see split. So what you do is you adjust your video. You could see a line, so that line will be the one to split it. Just try to adjust it where it won't show Plotagon again. So let's see, still showing the logo of Plotagon. Again, so you have to just be careful. Okay, I think frame sensitive. So even though I think this is okay, so you click on split. So split simply means it has divided into two. Now click on it and press delete. Okay, wow, majority of people still want to join the group. No problem, I'll get back to you. So let's now see if we will still see the
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
if you see. So the that's the way to remove the Plotagon advert. Now let's now zoom in. I'm using a free package just like you. How can I cover that place? It's very simple. So what you do is, now sticker. I'm still coming back to music. Sticker. The function of the sticker is to put some artwork into your video. Are you with me? So we want to use the sticker to block that place. So I click on the sticker. Now majority of you, if you look at this one, these stickers are moving. So before you could have it, you have to download the stickers also. Now but this one is always there, normal one you have in your WhatsApp, you understand. So let's see, let me pick this. Let me just pick this. Something nice. Let's say, okay, a a a lion. Okay, now Note something. Can you see? Look at the duration where the lion is. I'm talking about this where I just touched now. Look at it. If I should move the tape like this, look something. You notice that the lion logo emoji is no more there again. Why? Is because you have actually what passed the line at which the lion emoji is. So what you now intend to do is, number one, take it to that position where you want to cover the what the emoji, I mean the watermark of Plotagon. Are you with me? Number one. Number two, now you could see the arrow facing that side, facing the right hand side. Click on the arrow again. It's pop out this video end and clip end. Video end simply means if you want it to, if you want your viewers to see that emoji or that picture or whatever you added there throughout the video, and that's what I want you to do. And the clip art is, there are some situation whereby you want to try to match about 2 or 3 videos together. So for each video are called a clip. Are you with me? So maybe you just want it to just appear in just one clip, and the other clip you want to change it to other things. Are you with me? But for every logo you use to cover the watermark, make sure you click on video end so that it will cover that point. Now you could also make some editing on it. You could see I'm still on it, so click on edit. Now with the edit, it will bring out some options, some loop options. If I click on the one that look like lights, look at what it's doing. It's blinking like a bulb. This other one again, can you see? This other one again, majority of you, that if you notice, that's what I do use for my own pictures. Okay, so let's now see what of adding logos to your picture. Now you still go on that same sticker, click on sticker. You could see a icon that look like a picture, so I click on that. Now it takes me to my picture. Are you with me? So I want to select, look for what do we call it, my logo. Okay, my company logo. So I select on my company logo. Now as you can see it as big as I reduce it to a stage I want for people to see it visible. Now just enlarge it, pull it to this side or any upper part, not to block the character. Now you notice also once I move again, my logo is no more there again, right? So because the clip already passed my logo, so what I need to do is, since I want the logo to show throughout, what I do is select on the arrow to the right, click on video end. That is, it will show throughout the video. Also, you might decide to write some text, maybe call or WhatsApp, like, you understand. So what you do is you select text. Maybe let me just write welcome to Femtech Studio. Yes. Now you notice the writing is different. So you can see capital letter A and small one. So you just select on it. Now scroll on each letters has different writing. So you just pick the one you prefer, and I love this one, lobster. It's look unique. Now the color. So the label simply means you want to put a background at the back of your text. So let's see, if I put a label, this is a label, let me see, a label of this color. Can you see? And if I don't want the label again, I'll click on the white that has a red diagonal line in between to cancel it. Now the text also, to change the text font, are you with me? The border, maybe this color, so you could see. Now if I want to increase the border line so that color could show, or reduce it, it depends on whatever I want to do. So now what I want to do next is maybe adjust it up or adjust it down. Are you with me? Yes. So welcome to Femtech Studio. I think that is good. So the next thing again, I want it to show throughout. So what I'll do is click on the arrow, video, end. So let's see what we've done so far. Now I click on play.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
So that's it. And so for every one of you, now the next stage, so you click on this. I think that is okay. Now the music simply means if you want to add music into your video. For me, I'm using an iPhone. I know iPhones, you have to buy those musics, and I'm not a fan of musics like that. Pardon me, I'm not a fan of musics. So I can't use, but I can still make use of effects. Yes, effects like clap, fad, all those kind of things. Let's see one. Let's see. Maybe I want to add something like this. Let me see. So once I click on use, I make use of it. So it's a very good thing to use. Like, they are lovely. They say practice make perfection. You try. Remember, you cover the watermark to include your video. Also, now the background is, now let's see the filter. The filter also simply means you might want to change the filter effect. Yes, you might want to adjust it. Let's see, filter, you want to make it brighter, story, natural. So I prefer this natural, or use the original. It depends on you, on whatever you prefer. Let's see the effects. Okay, the effect might also be like this. Let's see that this mirror. Can you see? So let's give it a play. Can you see?
Hi.
Okay, so depend on whatever you want to use. Are you with me? So I still leave it on the original, depending on you and depending on what you are doing. So from this, I click on mark, and I think I'm done. So let
Queen,
me play
today
the
I'm
music
so happy.
again, the
Fred,
video,
I'm
rather,
happy
and
too.
see
I love from
what
the
I've
bottom of
done
my
so
heart.
far. I'm sorry about the noise. I'm a teacher, so
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
around now, so I'm sorry about the noise. So I think that is all you need to know about, in short. Yes, in case you have any question, or chat me up, I'll be online on YouTube to answer your questions. Yes, or on WhatsApp. So please please do subscribe, so you could not be notified when I upload a new video about it and the rest. Are you with me? Please subscribe and click on the like button. I will be really so much appreciate it. So the next thing now is, now you could see an arrow again that look like the rendering, the one we use above, the top right. Once I click on it, it asks me save. Yes, I'll click on save. So it says, please do not lock the screen or switch off or switch to other app. It means that you should let it do its thing. Don't minimize it. Don't close the screen. Although the insert screen will not close, so you can leave it alone. go and do whatever you want to do and come back. Once it's done, it will off on itself. Are you with me? So 70, let's still wait for it. It's almost done. Almost done. A little bit. Yes, that is it. 100. So a little advert will just pop up, then you cancel it. Now wait for it to save. Then it will ask you if you want to save it to YouTube Direct. You send to YouTube Direct. But first, it is what you need to do for now is it has been saved into your gallery, and for those of you that are using Android. So now let's minimize this and go to the photos. For now, photos for me, because I'm using an iPhone, but Galleria, whatever you call it, for you guys using Android. So this is the video rendered so far. Yes, so once I click on it and I press play, let's see.
Hi, Queen. Today I'm so happy.
Fred, I'm happy too.
I love from the bottom of my heart.
Welcome to Femtech Studio.
So can you see? So it's as easy as that.